got chance to live here in this region, particular region in Maharashtra, because there are several regions, and region by
Okay.
region the
Hmm.
environment changes, right?
Hmm.
Environment and all the characteristics of people change.
Hmm.
Right? So I am quite fortunate to that I got the chance to live here,
Hmm.
and so that is one thing I'm grateful about.
Okay. Three. Two more to go.
Okay,
It's
see.
so tough to think
So
about these things. Yeah. Yeah.
hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you so much. Okay.
Mhm.
Right. So today we have the importance of positivity. That's a
Okay, okay.
great session. But before that, we have an extempore. First one is my daily routine. Second one is my favorite childhood memory. Which one do you want to talk about?
Okay. Yeah, I will go with the first one.
My daily routine.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me what do you think about it? About your daily routine.
Okay, yeah. Since I'm at home for like more than 1 year now, so my daily routine is quite similar every day. It's not changing as employed professionals or someone like that, right? So kind of it feels like boring sometimes, but yeah, it's the fact. But I think till October 2023, my routine was slightly different, especially the sleep cycle. So I used to sleep late in night, approximately around 1 or 2 a.m. And I used to wake up late, around 8 o'clock or after that. But one day, I don't know why and how I slept early, and as a result, I woke up early. And from that day, my sleep cycle changed. Like it turned in 180 degrees. And now I sleep early at around 12 o'clock, and I wake up early at around 6 o'clock. So that was the day. I forgot the date, but yeah, from that day, my sleep cycle changed. And I can't believe that I can wake up early, because it's not my cup of tea, actually. So I can't wake up early. I can still study in night, but yeah, it was not my cup of tea to wake up early and study. But now I am doing it. So I think that's positive thing, because everyone advises that you should wake up early, that helps your mental health or something like that. I don't know the reason behind it, but yeah.
Mhm.
And after waking up, I usually see I don't exercise at all. That's a bad thing, but yeah. uh,
Welcome to my world. Yes, go on.
I I plan that, yeah, I have to exercise from
Yeah,
now.
yeah, you
Then
join
I
my
will
club.
do it
Understood.
for like around 15 to 20 days, and after that I
Then
will
we will
quit it
feel
for
lazy
sure.
again. Ah,
Yeah,
yes. Welcome to the club, Aditya. Go on.
yeah. So directly I hit on my books and I start studying. Uh, like I think every day my mom insists that please take some drink, for example, tea, coffee, or sharbat,
Yeah.
just to get rid of that sleep hangover.
Hmm.
But from childhood, I don't like tea or coffee.
Hmm.
Yeah, so it's good thing actually, right?
Club membership.
Because
Club
sorry,
membership. I'm withdrawing your club membership.
do you like
Yes.
tea or coffee?
Ah, yes. Okay.
Okay, so but now since I wake up early and it's difficult for me to get rid of that sleep hangover. Usually, I drink either tea or coffee and start my day. And
Mm,
as I mentioned, I usually hit
mm,
my books
mm,
just after having tea or coffee.
mm,
After breakfast, I think
mm,
again the same
mm,
routine. I hit on my books, then at around
mm,
12 o'clock, I have my
mm,
session.
mm,
And after lunch, I take a
mm,
nap for like half an hour,
mm.
not more than that. And I can't sleep in afternoon. I don't know why, but
Okay.
actually that 30 minutes nap helps me because it is required. I don't know.
Because also you're studying now for a long period of time.
Maybe. Hmm.
So
Maybe.
eyes are tired sometimes. Yeah.
Huh. Right. And in the evening, I go on bike ride, small bike ride for an hour, or I
Mm.
meet my friends. So it
Mm.
helps me, what we can say, recover my mind or regain some energy.
Mm. 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 Mm.
And again, after that, after having dinner, I again hit
Mm.
on my books and study till 12 o'clock, and then I sleep. That's my daily routine.
Nice. So it's study, 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 sleep, study, eat, and go out. That's all.
Right. Nothing
Is
else.
it? Is it? Yes. Okay, that's very good. Um, when you talk about your daily routine, try to make it like we have crossed the 3 minutes threshold, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So another thing I would like to say, so make sure that it is within 3 minutes. Another thing is that daily routine means daily routine. Everybody's daily routine is same, even if it's a working professional. It's not
Okay.
that every day they wake up and feel like, no, today now we are not going to do this. We'll do something else. No, they have to go to office or they have to start working. So daily routine means something that you do on a daily basis.
Yeah.
Okay. So it is same for
But
everyone
yeah,
else.
the profession regarding aviation was in my mind, and I was talking with respect to that. So
So
daily
it is
routine of
different every day.
pilots is different, right? It's not the same for every day,
Hmm.
right?
So how it is for them? Tell me about that.
See, there, yeah, like they get their roster 1 month prior, I guess,
Hmm.
and I think after 2 days or whatever it may be, they get their flight. So I think their daily routine is not their daily routine actually, right? So they have to change their routine, um, day by day according to the day and according to the work.
Okay. So they have some free days and sometimes they have like full work. It's like that. Okay. But then also they have a daily routine. Why I'll tell you. Then they what they do is they think in this way ki if it is a free day, what I'll be doing. If it is not, then what I'll be doing.
Um,
So everything gets boring at a point of time for everyone. Doesn't matter what you're doing. Okay. Um, we have 5 minutes, so let's talk about the topic of the day, and that is the importance of positivity, which I feel is very, very important. Two of the idioms which are very much associated with the topic. First one is keep your chin up. Keep your chin up means have that
to stay
positive
positive.
attitude always. Stay
Right.
positive, right? Another one is every cloud has a silver lining. What is that?
Every negative thing has some kind of positive side or something like that.
Yes, 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 completely. So it means that whatever happens, just don't lose hope. Okay? Okay. Why is be positive? Being positive is important.
Okay. So I think everyone needs this
Mm.
quality, but
Okay.
still we see people going in depression and all those things. So if we talk about importance of staying positive, then like directly I must say it's not indirect effect, but directly it affects our mental health. So
Very
it
much.
helps in improving our mental health or staying healthy. basically, right? And it gives us energy to do our work more efficiently. Uh, so indirectly, it helps to get a good result, right?
Right. And also it gives you the boost because life is not always good. You will be facing a lot of adversities so that you can fight off all those things and then come out shining. Okay. What are the five things you are grateful for today?
Okay, I think the
It's a great session note. Go.
most common answer, and I must say it's true, that I'm grateful for such great parents that I have got, because in my condition, I think
I know
it's,
that.
yeah, it's
Hmm.
not a train here, and that even then my parents are supporting me. So
Very supportive.
yeah,
Supportive. Hmm.
supportive, right? Uh, I said my parents are supporting me. So
Hmm.
huh. Second thing is my
Hmm.
eyes
Hmm.
that I have got. I have spectacles. That's okay. That's different part. But I have got
Hmm.
6x6 vision, and that's damn important for me and for my career.
I know that
Yeah.
also.
Huh.
Okay.
So this is the second thing. Another
Mm-hmm.
thing. Okay. I think I am fortunate that like I got chance to live here in this region, particular region in Maharashtra, because there are several regions, and region by
Okay.
region the
Hmm.
environment changes, right?
Hmm.
Environment and all the characteristics of people change.
Hmm.
Right? So I am quite fortunate to that I got the chance to live here,
Hmm.
and so that is one thing I'm grateful about.
Okay. Three. Two more to go.
Okay,
It's
see.
so tough to think
So
about these things. Yeah. Yeah.
another thing is another thing
Hmm.
is I am I know it's kind of childish, but yeah, I am a bus lover, especially government bus lover.
I
So
know that.
I save a lot of money, lot of money. So I am grateful for my choice and what we can say.
Choices.
Sorry,
I'm grateful for my choices of life. Choices in life.
yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
because I save money, and that's what all should do. Everyone should do. Another
Okay.
thing, I don't remember. I'm not able to remember any other thing.
Hmm.
Mhm.
You're happy, right?
Yes.
Great. I'm
Ah,
grateful that I'm in a
I'm,
condition that I'm happy.
yeah, I'm positive.
Very good. To say that, no, I'm grateful. People are struggling. We don't appreciate small things in life at all,
Actually, hmm,
which we should be, because we feel this is normal. This is not normal for everyone.
right?
So always uh, search for things that you feel is very normal, but other people it is not. Like if you ask me, I'll be very happy to tell you I'm very grateful to have a great family, just like yours.
Hmm,
Very grateful that I have a roof over my head,
absolutely.
and if I want to have something, I can have something. So that's that. Um, I'm very much grateful that I try of my job, my career, and people who are giving me the opportunity to teach, because this is one of the things that I always wanted to do,
Hmm,
and I want to help a lot of people through it. So yes, that is one thing I'm very grateful
hmm,
to everyone, and also to Clapingo. Coming to number three, I would like to say that I'm very grateful to God uh, to give me a kind of ability to pursue my hobbies,
hmm.
which are, you know what they are. So
Yeah.
yeah, I love music, so I like it, and also photography a little bit. I have a little eye for
Okay.
it.
Hmm.
So on is that. And last but not the least, I'm very much grateful that today 15th of January 2024, I can say that I'm feeling safe,
Hmm.
uh, because the world is a very dangerous place,
Actually,
especially
it
for women,
is. Yeah.
especially for women and men,
Mhm.
but especially for women. So,
Right.
mm, very grateful to feel safe around myself. So yeah. Okay, talking about what's one problem you are grateful you do not have.
Sorry.
Lastly, one
What
thing
problem?
that you're grateful that you
Hmm.
do not have. One problem.
Okay. I think it's the vision.
Hmm.
That's it. And I think that's I think the most like prime important thing for me now currently.
Most important thing is the vision, because you are going to join a kind of a career path where that's the most important thing, and it's going to help you a lot, and it is also going to help a lot of people, because otherwise they may not feel safe,
Right.
because isn't it perfect. It's a pleasure talking to you as always, Aditya. I think it is Mahesh Kale's birthday today, isn't it?
What? Okay.
Yes, maybe not,
I
maybe
will
today or
have
tomorrow,
to check
yesterday.
Instagram then. Okay.
Yeah,
I will check
just check.
for sure.
Great. Thank you so much for the session. That's all from my side. Any questions? Anything that you want to say?
Nope. I'm good.
No? All right. We'll see each other very soon in our next session, sir. Okay?
Yeah, we have session after a week.
After a
Right?
week?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, great. Then we'll see each other after a week.
Mm.
Okay?
All right.
Great.
Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Have a great day.
You too.